ワインを3、4杯ぐらいかな。入れて、オイル。バジルを、さじ1入れて、タイム。
Dia de nuvens no céu, trânsito atolando o chão, preso numa água cheia, a concha fugindo do som. Já beira de sumir, a fundo na maré que vem. O motorista me sorri e diz: viver parece simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando tempo só pra amor, é a casa que perde pis. Ouvindo fim preto branco, é as nuvens a passar no seu flutuar. As coisas não vão se encaixar se você se cobrar demais. Deixe não se enganar, assim. Então quando a coisa aperta, te destiver por triz. Lembre o que ele diz. Viver parece simples, dia para ser feliz. Tirando tempo sobre amor, a casa que perde pis. Vende fim preto branco, é as nuvens a passar. Eu não sei flutuar. Ser feliz, tirando tempo só por amor, é a canção que perde pis. Vejo fim preto branco, e as nuvens a passar. Oh, seu flutuar.
いただきます。Babe, this looks and smells so good.
Be careful, very hard.
This is great, babe. So good. So perfect for the winter, right? I love it. Of course. I love the tomatoes.
Yeah, we love.
We didn't do any tomato plants this last summer. I missed them a lot. I'll try and do a couple this summer. Yeah, we pick them like every day when we have them. It was nice.
Sophie loves the orange one, you know.
Yeah, me too. This is so good, babe. So they have something like this in Japan? Is this normal?
Yeah, we have something similar. Momo. stirring. Oh. なんだこれ。バスボム。ミルク。なんでやった
Actually, I want to get one more.
ワンモア。
I know, so many people are gonna be like, wow.
卵。チェック中です。このベジタリアンのコーナーでポーク白滝を買っています。あとソーセージとかチーズとか。クリームチーズクッキー。クリームチーズ買います。ハムはハニーハムを買います。コーヒーを買います。コーヒー。チーズを買います。シュリンプ。
Oh, those like baby lettuces? Little gem lettuces. Oh, that's cute though.
Yeah.
They're so cute you can't eat them. Mini cucumbers? Oh, nice. Oh, that is huge.
Huge.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
For Sophie
Yeah.
for her tortilla peanut butter breakfast.
お寿司コーナー。あ、いや。
Always.
パーティーサイズ。
Oh,
Ah.
pretty red.
I say minimum 5 is
I like this one.
Yeah, that's cool. It's definitely the prettiest color, isn't it?
I like
You don't
this
like the
color.
green, do you?
Not bad.
Look at green.
Okay.
Green tea, this is waterfall. I don't want to smell like a waterfall.
So this pink is cute too.
There's a light blue one. Sea minerals.
Grapefruit.
Ooh. We'll get one of each.
水。と最後にイースト。
Is taking it apart easier to eat?
Good. Like that.
I like it a lot. I don't need dinner or any other food today. I just eat these. So we don't really do reviews anymore, do we? Like 1 out of 10.
Oh, yeah.
I'd probably give this close to a 10. This is pretty awesome.
12.
12? Oh yeah. That's right. Sylvie does like 11 out of 10. I really like it. That's pretty awesome. Oh my goodness. This is so good fresh. Oh my goodness.